Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart.
Alright, we here. Morning, Pegasus. John G in house. Alright, let's see here. Let's take a little stab along here. See if we get the push through here. See if we can squeeze through 500 here. Morning, Clarity. Let me see if this thing can push through 500 here. Let's see here. Getting a bit of a dip here. I'll move this over here for now. I want to take a look at something. Pulling back here, let's see. I'm going to add to this down here. God dang it, where'd my thing go? Morning, Eric. All right, see if we get this push into 97 here. Come on, rip it. Come on, get me out of here. That was so close there to that. Didn't quite get it. There we go. Out of the one. See if we get a little squeeze here. I'm actually not even. I'm going to take this down here. Just take a 500 retest. I'm going to throw a stop in here. Well, no need. There we go. All right, back to green on this account. Well, we were already green, basically break even, but now we're up 20, or we're up $9. $9. Make you holla. All right, guys, we're going to be giving away 150K Take Private Trader account today. We did just also slam that trade right there on the challenge account as well. Bam, for $975, up 900 bucks. So we still need $1,700, I guess, to get that passed. I'm going to be looking for like 5-point scalps, just using one mini at certain points today. We're just going to be looking for 5-pointers. So we'd like to try to get that to $1,000, $1,200 today. Maybe we pass it Monday. At this point on the Influencer Cup, it looks like just being funded might place you third. So that's going to be the idea there. Just being funded might get you third. And that might give me $1,000 to give away to you guys. And, you know, I would have hit the full TP there if I would have held that. I would have passed it, but you know me, I put the stop in. Should have just put it at break even, I guess. We'll look for a couple of more spots to try to find some longs there. Yeah, that would have worked. I would have been passed if I would have just not put the stop in. Darn it. Darn it. There's that squeeze. Yes, bouncing off the VWAP there. As of right now, there's only 2 people funded on that trade day. So it almost seems like just getting funded will potentially get you third place at least. And third place is $1,000 for me and $1,000 for you guys. Right now, Kellyanne and Uncle Bugatti. Pine Tree did just pass last night, so he'll be on here tomorrow. He passed last night. He had to make an extra 1,000. He did it. He posted on Twitter. So we're a little behind, but you know, that trade that we just took us. We're up 903, so we only need $1,700 more dollars. So I'd like to try to get that down to 1,000. Like I said, obviously, if I didn't move the stop there, you know, hindsight's 20/20, we would have passed, but it's all right. Happy to lock in some points. It doesn't cost me to reset, John. The resets are free. Free, free, free. So, obviously I haven't taken any funded trades today. Other than the fresh Buellanox that we passed yesterday and the My Funded Futures account. The stream will be back to normal Monday, guys. I just do not want to do that dual stream today. It's just too difficult to manage. And honestly, there wasn't that many people watching on my normal stream yesterday anyway. 25. Good morning, Mad Moxie. Let me update. We're gonna, oh, it's in here somewhere. Thought I could edit this in here. Good morning, Alito. Yeah, you want to hear my voice? Yeah, that's okay. I was just saying you could like leave both up. But the problem is, you know, I'm not the only one talking over there, so it's kind of how it goes. But Monday we won't be on there until 11 a.m., so we'll be able to do our normal stream here first. Guys, if you did not see, um, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this now. Flash sale, 20% off the Pro plan. Use code MM. It's good from noon to 6 today. 5 uses per user. 20% off from noon to 6. 5 uses. Yeah. There you go. If you did not know, there you go. Now you know. Flash sale, flash sale. This thing's ripping. Look at her go. Darn it. Yeah, you can see my trading this morning. I mean, like, I started off okay, took a break even here. I longed here and then took the loss down here and got short. And then what did it do as soon as I get short? It closed below this 1 minute. The second 1 minute, if I would have taken the close below the first 1 minute, we would have at least made 30 points. But I waited for the second, which I don't normally do. I shorted, it ripped my face off for a 25-point loss. Then I took a long, got a small winner there. Took a long here, ended up taking it off for a loss. Got back long again. Or actually, one was a winner, one was a loser. Got in 2 there. And then just had to fight my way back to break even. I actually got back to break even on this move here. And now we're up $9. This account is up $315 overall. And then our fresh brand new Bulenox 50K. I took a nice opening trade on that one with a mini, this trade here. And I took 18 points or something. Made 360. So. And no other funded trades yet. I have not taken anything yet. I'm going to try to find a couple of spots to get a couple of 10-pointers. So, kind of go from there. 5-minute inside buy it failed today, so it was 2 for 5 this week. Not that great. Two for 5. So honestly, if you took all 5 of them, you're only down probably 1 R on the week. It's not that bad. Yes, back to 68.32 here. If we hold that level, I think we just squeeze. Do I try another? It's kind of dangerous here, to be honest, but we'll give it a try. I've been trying to, this morning, another thing that kind of caused me issues was I was going for bigger targets, 20, 30 points, and goodness. Instead of just taking what it gave me. Look at that thing rip lower, just rejecting off that 32 there. Quite rude. Yeah, trader on tilt. This is a way late long, though. Really kind of a stupid. I should have waited for a pullback. Kind of into the 500 level. I'll have to try to work my way out of that again. Not seeing it that clear today, to be honest. Feel rather fortunate to be only, to be green what I am, Not seeing it all that well. And like we all have days like that, right? Just recognize that it's not your day. Nothing wrong with that. All right, if ES pops 32, I'm going to add one more. Yeah, looks like I'm going to try to work my way out of this one. Just got in way too high. Just not a smart trade. Not a smart trade at all. I'm going to add off the 50 here. Something like that. Honestly, if we get back to my entry, I'm probably just going to close it. $10.50 here. Let's see if we can get a push back up. What up, Gold Chess Club? We're giving away 150K Take Profit Trader evaluation today, guys. That's the giveaway. So. I don't want to get too heavy too soon, but I do think a 500 add might make sense. I added off the 50 expecting a 10-point bounce at least up into my target or up into my entry here. I actually do think I'm just going to take this one off at stone cold break even. Let's add one more here. Not the best add. ES back to the pivot there at 27.28. Play this. Negative 60 points on the short, made out green. Let's go. Project X froze on you. Dang. Hey, let's go, Raul. Congratulations, man. You the man. Way to go. Yeah, I'll check that out in a minute, Alito. I'm just Hey, Dylan with the lucky $2 dono. Man, I added way too soon on this. Look at this thing just go. Pre-CPI wick killed 2 of your evals. Dang, the wick. Yeah, Elito, I did. I just kind of thought that, I really thought the 50 would bounce us back into the 20. And then my 500 ad was a little high too, 506. So. So we'll see here. Oh, yeah. I mean, I see that one, Alito. I see that, but I still think we take that out. 637, 68.37. Back to the 200 EMA. Just going to try to average in right here and get out of this. For some reason, it's not letting me add more. Why is it not letting me get out of this? It's not letting me do anything. I'm only in 5 micros. What's going on? It's not letting me add anymore. Can you only do 5 micros on the funded account? Is that right? New all-time low. No. If we break through the VWAP, I'm just going to take the loss. Can you only trade 5 micros on this account? I didn't know that. Latest quantimer updates has OB mitigation blocks. Interesting. Yeah, I didn't realize that. I certainly would have been a little more less aggressive on the ads. I didn't realize that. Dun, 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 dun. Well, well, well. Well, I can't add to this, so we're going to have to see if this will bounce. If we got to get through that 50% level and we continue to push down, I'll probably just take the loss. Long here, trust me, bro. Yeah? All right, I'm going to take the long, bro. Oh. I don't know what happened there. Accidentally, I think it tagged me into a short. Weird. Tagged me into a short somehow. I still made $14, but I don't know what happened there. Oh, what up, Bashar? Well, let's see if we can retest the 500s to get me out of this trade. I don't know. Top of the hour here in 40 seconds. 484. Nice. ES bounced off the 15 there, VWAP. Top of the hour coming up. I'll have to remember I've only got 5 micros to add there. So I'm going to take these two off right here from these ads. Let's see. Let's go, Coper. Nice job. Top Step account not doing so well. Nah. Got to take the good with the bad. The good with the bad. Exclamation point cash if you want to enter the giveaway for the 50K or 150K Take Private Trader eval. So if we pop above 67 here, I think we go. I'm stabbing long here on this account, on this tournament account. taking $100 there. Up $1,000 on that account now. Should be able to push up here. If we get back up into that area, let's see. Going to be red either way on this trade. We'll have to work ourselves back to green potentially. ES bouncing there pretty hard. If we get through this 21, probably retest the 90. We are tapping into a 5-minute bearish gap though. I did take it room. I took $100 on it or whatever. I took it twice, but somehow I got tagged into a short, and it took away most of my profit on the first one. But we're up $1,000 on the challenge account. We still need $1,500 more to pass. So I'm going to try to take logical spots for like 5 points at a time on that. Not going to full port it. 15 $100 winners, and we'll be passed. Whether that's today, it might be Monday, it might be Tuesday. Doesn't matter. We're just waiting, guys. Remember, at 1 hour, My Fund of Futures is going to have that sale 20% off for the Pro account, Pro Plus. What's it called? Let me look at the thing here. Pro Plus account, Pro Plan. Use code MM. 5 uses. Yep. Can take up to 100K payouts. Trade 550K accounts. No daily loss limit. No consistency rule. You have a hard time managing multiple accounts beyond 3. Nothing wrong with that. Know your limits, right? Another Friday down the shitter. All TPT pros blown. I can't keep doing this. At least if I burn the cash in a fireplace, I'll get some heat from it. Yeah, design, that sucks. That sucks. Alito's got 2 futures desk evals at the moment. So, nice. See if this thing bounces here, if it can hold and bounce. Again, today is a Take Profit Trader 150K eval, guys. Rip it. Come on, get it up there. If it hits our target right now, we'll be down about 60 bucks or 40, 50 bucks. But back to the 50 EMA, this would be an area where I would short. There's enough room between this and the 21 to get 10 points, but not a lot. Minimum, maybe. Room beats guaranteed? What'd he say? Are you saying long room beats? What's the guarantee? Still? You still got the guarantee going on? There's the 50 EMA paying. $50 EMA just getting smacked. See if we can push through there on this next one. You called TP 484? Yeah, you did. All right, see if this push gets us through the 50. Do I add on the push above the 50? I don't know. Yes, holding up there at the 28s. Last time you called a trade, you took it off? Yeah. Yeah, I didn't take the whole thing today. I just took a 5-point scalper. Back to the entry here. See if it squeezes. What a predator. We'll see if it can squeeze through 500 here. ES is approaching that 32. I'm going to watch that 32 closely here because we rejected hard off that level earlier. All right, I'm going to put the stop in here. Not going to let this go back red. Hits the target, will be down about 40 bucks. I think 40 or 50. All right, down $59. We can get that back. Again, if I didn't take off the 2 here, I took off the 2 here at break even. You know, obviously I had no idea it's going to continue to go back up. I took those off so that I could average back in if I needed to. So now $59, 3 10-point trades. ES is now breaking above the 32 here. This thing could squeeze now. So 3 10-point winners will get us back to break even. ES about to run the, looks like it's going to squeeze right through that data high now. Initial balance up there on the ES at 835.50. I do think this thing just keeps going. Yeah, well, we haven't quite inversed the 5-minute yet. Working on it. 3.5 minutes left on this candle. It looks like it's going to, though. Have not quite got there yet. Probably gonna run the high. I might take this 5-minute break. Feels bad to do it, but we might do it. 531, 538, and then the high are the targets. ES tapped initial balance there, pulling back off that level. It'll pull back a little, then go. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing here. And let's see. Looks like it may not even inverse on this candle. Going to need a push kind of back above the 525s to get a nice break of structure and the 5-minute inversion at the same time. Man, it feels like illegal to long here. You would not be able to know this room beats guarantee without TO. Are you you in his Discord, or what are we doing over there, room? I haven't seen TO in a minute. Haven't seen him in a minute! Exclamation point cash in the chat, guys. Giving away 150K Take Private Trader evaluation. We'll do the giveaway here in just a bit. 1,000 cons, 53.96. $5.39, I guess you're meaning. Man, it feels so wrong to long up here after I just worked myself out of that long, huh? Same area I longed earlier. Well, not quite. It feels wrong to long. You cheated yourself. It's okay. We all do it. Are we just getting a double top here on the ES? Could be. All right, got 15 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Let's see if it inverses. Looks like it's going to, but it did not break structure. So, all right, I'm going to try it. Look for 10 points here. Has an indicator called Optimus Ninja. Nice. ES at the trend line here. Or Nasdaq is. See if we can break it. Get a little squeeze here. I'm going to put the stop in here. We're up 8 points there. Not going to let it come back and stop. 9 points, actually. Not going to let it come back and stop me out. Or put me in red. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Down 40 bucks. The position's a holder to 530, maybe. Oh, you got bottom? You got filled at the bottom? Dang. Nice. Breaking structure here on the 5-minute chart. 531.25 is the first target, 538.50, and then the high at 548. These are going to be your targets, obviously. Okay, what's going on here? Doesn't like the 5-minute chart? Weird. %70 static sell ends tonight at midnight for the futures desk. You can now trade up to 4 the futures desk accounts. I missed that. Traders can hold up to 4 accounts under the same 6K total allocation. No restrictions on how you split it. You can use this freedom to manage your risk and strategy your way. 4 accounts. Use code MMM. What is going on here? I mean, what is the deal? I mean, I got no chart. ES just ran the what is going on? I can't see anything, guys. ES just ran the data high. I'll just put this chart over here, I guess. Doesn't have anything on it, but still show you what I was looking at. Alt plus F4, what is that going to do? Delete my chart? If I do Alt F4 and it doesn't work, it didn't work. Let me just try to disconnect the connection and reconnect it. But in the meantime, we'll watch this chart. All-time highs on deck. ES just made new all-time high, by the way. Told me 548, so I should long now, Kev, and we're good. Don't ban you into Kazakhstan. I can't say it. The global shortcut to all softwares. Oh, maybe. No display, no data. Anybody else? I mean, it's anybody else having that problem with My Fund of Futures connection? The DX feed? No. I mean, it certainly looks like we're going to push, but do I want to take a spot here to try it? It's still not loading. I don't know what's going on with it. Let's try to change to a different chart. I don't know what's going on there. It is F Your Accounts Friday. The giveaway prize, Pegasus, is 150K. Take Profit Trader account. Let's go. I'm pretty hungry this morning. Kind of hungry. Building out a little bull flag up here on the 1 minute. I'm already green on this account, $300 and something. I really isn't available, but you still enter the giveaway. That's all right. Going pretty good, Citizen Zero. Pretty good. Pretty good. Not bad. Not bad. So you had the inverse here at 513. Could have entered there. That's kind of where I entered on this other account. All right, I'm going to stab along here on the challenge account. Come on, don't do me dirty. BS doesn't hold this level, I'm getting out. Come on, bounce it. Be a good girl. Well, ES is trying to hold it, but I need 45 to get out of the position. 45. Yeah, I'm long clarity. Looking for 45. You got the London close here in just a few seconds. Let's see if that spikes us. I got stopping at 5 points here, so it's either going to give me the 5 or take my 5. One or the other. Stop me out for 5. It's only up $900 now on that account. What up, Timbo? Yeah, that is the pullback. Unfortunately, right when I got long. Rude. Rude. Oh, well. These, I don't know what's going on here. Anybody else having problems with the DX feed? Oh, and now you want to go, you dirty trucker. Now you want to try to go. Yeah, unfortunately, stopped me out already. I put the stop in. I mean, they can kind of pull back into this gap down here at 528. We could maybe stab long there. We could maybe. You couldn't take that trade because TPT hasn't withdrawn funds. Yeah. See if we get a little more of a pullback. A little bit more of a pullback. Let's see. Ah. Kind of the area that I was talking about here. Let's see how we react. I'm going to buy one at 27. Oh shit. The hell was that? The fuck was that? Just got my face ripped off right there for 10 points. I don't know what that was. Timbo is done for the day, Spike. I love it. Oh, goodness. All right, I got out there on the challenge account for the $100, but obviously I lost $200 over here. So we're only up 150 now. Tom's micro short. That was like, I mean, I don't know what that was. That was just like a 30 point, just a ripper. I don't know what's going on this feed over here, but it is not working. I go to change time frames and it said, "Thy shall not pass." So thy shan't pass. Why is this thing not working? Like, I don't understand. All right, I'm going to stab here again. Pretty bullish reaction there. ES holding above the 37. I think we can get the squeeze back up here. Probably going to go stop to break even 43 area. Actually, it would be 10 points. I probably could just take it off there. But I think we can get the extra push through the all-time high here. Let's just see. Mark out this area so I can see it. One more pullback, maybe. Yeah, ES is kind of losing that 37 again, so don't know if I really want to give this more room. Max broken. I'm just going to let it stop me out here. I'll look for a better entry if it does. I am kind of tempted to give it more room. I don't want to risk too much, though. I don't really want to. I don't like risking this much, but I think I'm probably just going to do something like this. I may add into this if it holds that trend line again there. So I might give it like another 10 points and maybe add down here. If it sweeps it, we'll see. I think it's going to run through the all-time high, though. I don't know. It's the question. Like, we'll see. We shall see. Kind of holding here so far, but not looking that strong. Inside bah. Yeah, for sure. It broke to the upside, but then it failed. If the ES can work its way back above 37 here, I think we got a chance at squeezing. But if it holds below, which it's doing right now, we might just sell down. Let's see here. I'm almost tempted to just take it off, to be honest. But we'll see. We'll see. See if I can get my average up here. Or down. Squeeze back up into the 520s here. I got in late there. See if this thing can get me back to break even. I'm just going to get out. Come on, rip it up. Rip it up. I don't like that it didn't quite get there. Give it a little more room, I guess. But need this thing to squeeze. Get me out of that first. Squeeze it. Giveaway timer. Yeah, I'll do it in a minute. Just trying to get out of this first. It's going to eat the loss here. It'll be a small loss. It won't be bad, but see if we can't get some points. All right, up $55 after that exchange. Lost $100 on that. Could have been worse. All right, connection looks like it's back. It's not looking right. A little odd. We're missing a... I mean, I don't know about you guys, but something's missing. I hate to change the time frame. Oh, yeah. Shouldn't have changed the time frame, I guess. All right, let's check the likes, guys. How many likes do we have? Is this one frozen? Oh, it is moving. Where are we at? Let me see. is it not showing me the viewer activity? All right, let me refresh it one time. Exclamation point cash in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. Doesn't show me the likes anymore. It kind of sucks, guys. I can't really trade my Funny Futures accounts. They're not, for whatever reason. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on there. Oh, I don't know. I hate weeks. We'll see. Can you bribe me? We can always be bribed. All right, guys. The My Funded Futures deal is going to be live here in about 9 minutes. 9 minutes. We're about to draw, but don't forget, in 9 minutes, 20% off the Pro Plan. Use code MM, up to 5 uses. Only good until 6 p.m. today. 80% off Apex. Use code MYTH, M-Y-T-H, $85 activation fee. 83% off Bulenox. Use code MM. Who am I missing? Who are we missing? Take Profit Trader, 40% off, no activation fee. Code MM. Trade Day, 30% off, no activation fee, code MM. Tradeify, I think, is 30% also, code MM. Day Trader still 90% off, code MM. Funded Futures Network, buy one, get one 50% off, code MM. I don't know what sale Elite's having, something, code MM. Legends, Funding Ticks is 20% off, code MM. Lucid, I think, is still 40% off, code MM. Futures Desk, 70% off, does end tonight, guys. 70% off the static account, code triple M, MMM, Prop Shop, code MM. Let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway. Do I have 63 likes? I don't know. What do we got? 6 more likes, guys. If you haven't hit the like button, come on, hit the like button. We can do the draw. We got 88 viewers. We got 99 people in the giveaway. So we can certainly get a few more likes. I don't know why it doesn't show me the likes anymore. So annoying. Hit that like button. Oh, wait. I can't see the likes. Ah, here they are. We have 64 likes. Let's go. All right. Here we go. And the winner is, if you're not in there, exclamation point cash. Got about 5 seconds. And the winner is, oh, let's let these last little bandwagons get in here. TCG Andy, we don't care if he gets in there or not, you know? And the winner is, you guys are already in there, you know this. Michaela, trying to squeak in. Everybody's trying to squeak in last second. What are we doing? What are we doing? The winner is Fast Trader, not the Slow Trader, the Fast Trader. He's got 80 tabs open. Fast Trader, are you here? Let's start the timer. Fast Trader has 3 minutes to answer, to make himself known. The bribe did not work. It didn't. Fast trader, where you at? You might not be too late. Tech Team My Fun Futures does not start until noon. You got 6 more minutes. You going to show up until the timer is off? Let's go. What up, Fast Trader? You won. Send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. Pinned at the top of the chat. Show me that you're logged into your YouTube channel. Screenshot this. Show me that. And then I need you to send me your TPT, Take Profit Trader login, your email that you're using for your login, so we can get you the free 150K account. Let's go. Let's go. $123 likes and I will give away an Apex. I don't have any Apexes. I do have 2 more 150K accounts, but we'll save those for the next stream. I don't know what's going on here. Here comes the dump, guys. A little bit of a pullback. Shorts are good, Kev? I don't know. Tough to short up here. I mean, it could work out. It could pay out dividends. It could. We got a data wick down here. Do we get a 12 o'clock reversal? I don't know. Does it have activation fee? It does, Fast Trader. $130. But you'll know that you've already passed. So, and it's a 150K account, which costs way more than $130. I think it costs somewhere, what, like $250, $230? So still less. 99 fart coins to activate? Yeah. Last 2 days just brutal. Yeah, Kevin. Tough. Triple equal lows below the data candle. Let me see. Where are they? Well, I'm on the 5 minutes, so I probably can't see it. Is it right here? No. I don't know. Yeah, you also get 2 months to pass, yeah. Trust me, it's worth it. It's not data, it's data. Oh, including the data candle? Okay. Is the data candle there? Did it really? What time frame? I don't see it. Well, it doesn't matter if we get down here anyway. What up, Rob? You tried 2 shorts that have stopped me at break even? Yeah. All right, let me get out of this stuff. Well, I may just have to accept the loss on my funny futures. Today, $40. Because I don't know if I'm going to be able to trade. On 5 minutes, there are 3 wicks, data, and 2 others pretty close together. Okay, I got you. Well, it doesn't matter. I mean, the data wick's down there too. We know that, right? 344. Right now, it's not really in play. We're 200 points away from it. Not in play for me. Doesn't mean it can't hit. So, if you're just joining us, this is what we're at. We're down 40 bucks on my funded futures. We were up 350 on this account. Now we're only up 38. And we are up $9.99 on the challenge account. I haven't taken any other trades. You know, haven't found anything yet. Wouldn't mind taking a couple of trades, but don't have anything yet to take. Here's top of the hour. Red Green Day, funded green plus 40 bucks. Let's go. Logging out and logging back in. I have, yeah, several times. For some reason, it's just not working. I mean, we got a little 1 minute trend line here that we're trying to break. Do I stab one more time? All right, you guys twisted my arm. Gonna stab one more time. Look for a 10-point winner here. Tory trend line set up, looking clean. Let's go. It is. Oh shoot. How'd it go like that and just didn't get me there? Come on, Ripper. Left equal highs at 38.75, I think. Yeah. So the next push through there, I will go break even. Oh my goodness. May add to this, actually. What in the world? Goodness, guys. It came 1.75 points away from my take profit, and now it's pulling back. So rude. So rude. All right, I'm adding. Come on, you can do it. I didn't drop the stop yet. I wanted to, I was going to drop it at 37. It just didn't get there. Come on. Not good, guys. Not good. Tech T, it's only on the pro account. Are you trying pro account? Oh, that sucks, Clarity. Hold to 546. I mean, I would like to, but I can't even get through those equal highs there for some reason. What if I trade? Let me check the My Fun and Futures deal. Let me see if it's working on my end. Better be working. Don't make me fire off an email. Start a challenge. It needs to be on the pro plan. The 50K, I want to be on Quan Tower. And let me put in the code. $20% off. It is working. It is working. It's 20% off. So working right now. It's working. I want to see us get through this little bitty gap that we just put in here. Push above there. Yeah, just on the pro. It only works on the pro. The 20% is only on the pro account, which is the more expensive account, but see if this thing can push. 3 max contracts? I don't know on the 50K. I think it is. 3 minis. 3 minis. But you can get the 150K. I think it's more. No, actually let me see the pro. I don't remember. I'll have to look. We'll go stop to break even if this hits that 39. Push with speed. I am speed. I agree. There's the inverse. I'm tempted to add here, but I'm not going to. I would like to see this push right through the 39, and I'll go break even on the runner. Normally this will be your break-even spot, but with equal highs above, you wait for those. So funny that my average is right where the entry would have been probably for this inverse. Come on, bro. Get through there. I can go ahead and move my stop up to this swing. That would be the failure point of this inversion. My goodness, guys. This is so crazy. I'm about to move the stop up to break even, and it just reverses. I mean, that's not even 3 ticks away. That's 3 ticks away. Don't be a dick for a tick. Yeah, you ain't lying. Not this time. That is basically a tick this time. 1 or 2 ticks right there. Holy smokes. I'm putting the stops in, guys. If it stops me out, it just stops me out. I can't, I'm not, that's crazy. I mean, I know it's going to go, though. That's the thing. It's like, I know it's going to go. All right, there we go. Stop to break even now. Probably should just take my 10 points here, to be honest. Now we're finally getting some expansion. We'll lock in 5 points. Get something out of it. Be up $325 or something like that at least. Yeah, woohoo, woohoo. It finally is pushing. Let's see if we can push into the 45s. Back above this wick, I'm going to go ahead and lock in 5 more. Well, Haven't dropped it yet. Still at 5. Alright, let's see here. We get it back above that wick there. Again, I'm going to move the stop up to 40.75. Probably just get stopped for the 10 points, but that's alright. Oh, oh. All right, locking in the 10 points. Let's see if it can squeeze for the final 3. Or not. All right, stop me out there, up $389. We'll take it. Guys, I think I'm going to call it a day there. Not much to do, guys. I'm up $9.99 on that challenge account. We're down 40 on my funded futures, and we're up for $389 here. Just going to call it a day. Not going to fight it. So maybe we'll be back for the power hour. Not quite sure yet. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And we'll see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full pool.